Nifty grew about 9% and ended at 1096. Most people don't know the absolute value of Nifty's earnings, which is what I think is very, very critical. 1096 is where it ended. We had last projected about 1120, so fell short about 24 rupees, which I think is okay for a bad year. If you look at mid-cap earnings, which I think, again, people, the narrative is not as positive as the number is. 16.6% is the growth of Nifty mid-cap 150. Why would I say this is the most important index? Because SEBI has mandated this as the tier 1 benchmark for most mutual funds, and that's where the money is coming from. So if anybody thinks that they can see any other mid-cap index and be happy about it, they're wrong, they're mistaken. They should look at Nifty mid-cap 150 alone, because that's what the domestic institutions are mandated to take as tier 1. And that grew its earnings by 16.6% and ended at 579 on a base of 486. Small caps, again, Lovisha, I'm just reading out the numbers because most of the street doesn't know these numbers. If you look at the Nifty small cap 250, which is again the most important benchmark, not for a mutual fund investor, for any Indian capital market investor, because that's where the money is. Mutual funds are what is pumping in the money. So that has grown by only about 7%, and 543 was the earnings closure. I personally think you will see about 13 to 15% growth in the small cap, and I think Nifty will grow about 13% on a base of 1096.